Hey guys, Jay here, WoodPigeon Outdoors. Sorry I'm a bit winded, just hiked in, and yeah, so what we're doing is restarting that challenge from last year. If you guys don't remember, I'll play it with you. Hey guys, Jay here, WoodPigeon Outdoors. Great to see you all again. We are doing the 12 by 12 challenge. So this is the first installment of the 12 by 12. So basically what the 12 by 12 is 12 overnighters, one overnighter per month. So, and yeah, we're gonna set everything up and go from there. All right, let's do this. So guys, there's really not much to film at the moment, just due to the fact that we came in at 3:30, lit the fire, got the stuff up, went and chopped some more wood real quick. Now it's snowing. Really, most of the night is just, when it snows, it's just us huddled around the campfire trying to stay dry. -10, -15 tonight. That's Celsius here, what it is in Fahrenheit. But yeah, we're mostly just trying to stay dry. Campfire going. So nice sized fire. Surroundings, as you see, is pitch black. But yeah, when there's something happening, we'll show you. So the trick is, you see the steam coming off. Alright. The trick is not to get the embers on your clothes. Alright, and not to catch on fire. Was that dinner? And for dinner tonight we're having chili. So there you go, the snow's starting to pick up. And what you drinking there, Mountain Dew?
Yeah, black kind of Mountain Dew.
Hey?
Black kind of Mountain Dew.
Alright, let's see the name brand that you're drinking there.
It's called La Nuit d'État. It's a beer from BDT, a microbrewery. Just a little tip, guys. Everybody knows like hand warmer that come in a little pouch like this. This little pouch, you shake them and they become really warm. So winter camping, I guess, the thing for me that gets cold all the time is the feet. Even at home, I usually sleep with socks. So what I do is you use those. You put 2 pair of socks, and you put those little patch when they start to be warm near the toe. Whole feet get warm, and it's secured by another pair of like warm wool socks. And why 2 pair of socks is because you're not supposed to put it directly against the skin. You can burn yourself. Doing that way, it's really nice, and it helps to get your feet warm during the night.
You guys?
Like, you're getting dressed now. Everybody can see that.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
I'm putting on my layers.
AKA 2 pair of PJ for you.
2 pairs of PJs for me. This is the importance of under layers. I brought extra, right? One thing a lot of people don't talk about, we were talking about this the other night in videos. Everybody talks about knives, everybody talks about the shelters and all the gear, pots, pans, whatever. Nobody talks about some of the important gear that we go into the woods with, is layers, sweaters, outer layers. You wanna continue talking?
Like, we were talking about underlayer, and obviously the importance of like warm clothes, and more important at night is dry clothes. It's important to change new clothes from the one you hike in or you spend the whole day in. Like, if you're wet when you go to bed, you're not gonna be warm. Wool is really good, and any synthetics too. Just avoid cotton. Like, if you're dry, if you're warm, you have like a bunch of layers, you should be good.
And what about price point? Well, obviously merino wool is probably one of the better ones to go with Icelandic, but it's also very pricey.
Yeah, for me, I'm more merino wool underlayer, and this is like just a polar. You guys probably have noticed, but we both have like headwear, like buff, because you can wear it as you like. But obviously, toque, neck warmer.
Oh, this is just a regular, no, fleece toque. Right? Yes, it's the Broncos, but this toque was $6. The reason why I'm not wearing this one is because if you hear.
Well, no, but you can hear. It's like freezing rain a little bit.
It's freezing rain, so this got a bit damp, a bit wet. So I brought an extra buff, right? So this way when I sleep, this is going to be warm. I wanted to film the outro for the video. Couldn't do it, ran out of battery power. But until next time, stay safe out there. Cheers.